Welcome to another exclusive journey through the prestigious landed home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance 7772. I'm Max.
And I'm Wendy. Today we are excited to present to you this freehold 3-story semi-detached here in Lentor Vale. Sitting in the elevated land size of 3,560 square feet with a wide frontage of 11 meters, landed of this frontage is truly a rare find and very limited in the heart of Lentor Estate.
This spacious driveway can comfortably fit 2 cars, providing plenty of rooms for parking. And just over here, we have a lovely, well-maintained garden, a perfect space for relaxations and family gatherings. Now, let's head inside.
As we step in, this dedicated living room and a separate dining area give you a distinct space to relax and entertain.
This beautifully maintained home features 5 spacious bedrooms, including 3 en-suites for added comfort and privacy. Just a mere 5 minutes walk to Lentor MRT, commuting has never been easier. With the ongoing developments in this area, the property value is likely to appreciate over time, making it a wise investment for your future.
This newly developed neighborhood, designed with modern facilities and thoughtfully planned amenities to elevate your lifestyle. Well connected to major expressways and public transport, you will enjoy unmatched convenience right at your doorstep.
This home is conveniently located within 2 kilometers of top schools like Anderson Bradbury, Mayflower Bradbury, CHIJ St. Nicholas Girls, plus Ang Mo Kio Hub is just a short drive away, offering shopping, dining, and entertainment at your fingertips.
Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Lentor Estate. Contact our listing manager, Katherine at 9367 7772 to schedule a viewing today.
AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772,
Your compass for landed properties.